Okay, it's been more than 20 days since the last time my car was started, and I'm not sure whether it will start up or not because the light is a bit dim and the power window motor was a bit weak, and so was the central locking mechanism. So here goes. I'm just going to give it a shot, and if it doesn't start then I'll do a jump start, but let's give this a go. Actually, let's just turn the ignition on. Okay, the steering lock servo sounded a bit weak. Ooh, we might be okay. The air conditioning is turned off, so there's no power drain to the fan motor. So now I've got everything turned off, everything that I can turn off. So I know this is just draining the battery the longer we wait, but we are now in a position to give this a go. Alright, I've just turned that air conditioning, oh sorry, that was the air vent actually. I just turned off the air circulation, which doesn't make a difference. Now, here we go anyway. Clutch in and start. Oh wow, that was an almost failed to start, captured on video. Brilliant. And this is what the brake discs look like after not driving the car for 20 days. That was the rear. If you look at the front, quite corroded.